Hello, everyone. We are Jack and Lily. Welcome back to our channel for another English listening practice.
Today, we want to share a very cozy story about our morning routine. You will see how we start our day together.
Please don't worry if your English is not perfect. We will speak very clearly and slowly so you can understand every word.
Before we begin, we have one simple question. What do Jack and Lily see through the bus window that looks beautiful in the morning mist?
We love reading your answers. Are you ready?
Let's start the story now.
Good morning, world.
Lily, honey, it is 7 o'clock. Time to wake up.
5 more minutes, please. The bed is so warm.
You say that every morning. Come on, we have a busy day today.
Is it already 7? I feel like I just went to sleep.
I know, but look outside. The sun is shining. It is a beautiful day.
You are right. A sunny day always makes me feel better.
That is the spirit. Do you have any big plans at the office today?
Yes, I have an important meeting at 10 o'clock. I am a little nervous.
Don't worry, you are very professional. You will be great.
Thank you, Jack. You are always so supportive.
That is what I am here for. Now, who goes to the bathroom first?
Me. I need to wash my face to wake up properly.
Hey, that's not fair. I turned off the alarm.
The early bird catches the worm, Jack. I'll be quick, I promise.
Okay. I will go to the kitchen and start the coffee machine then.
Ooh, perfect. I can smell the coffee already in my mind.
Wow, the water is cold. Now I am wide awake.
See? I told you. It's a good day to start early.
You are right. Can you pass me my toothbrush, please? It is the blue one.
Here you go. And here is the toothpaste.
Thanks. Do you have your blue shirt ready for work?
Oh, I forgot. I think it is still in the laundry basket.
Check the closet first. I ironed it for you yesterday.
Really? You are an angel, Lily. I really need that shirt for my presentation.
No problem. Now it's your turn to use the mirror. I need to put on some makeup.
Thanks. I need to shave today. My beard is getting long.
Good idea. You look very handsome when you are clean-shaven.
Thank you. Are you nervous about your meeting again?
A little bit. But I prepared all the documents last night.
Just remember to breathe and speak slowly. You know your work better than anyone.
That's true. I feel more confident now.
Don't forget to take your umbrella. It might rain in the afternoon.
Oh, thanks for reminding me. I will put it in my bag right after this.
Teamwork makes the dream work, right?
Exactly! I'm going to the kitchen now. I'm starting to feel hungry.
Okay, I will finish shaving and join you in 5 minutes.
Wow, the coffee smells amazing.
Yes, I did. Your black coffee is ready on the table.
Ah, perfect. Thank you. What are we having for breakfast?
How about some toast and scrambled eggs? We also have avocados.
That sounds delicious and healthy. Do we have any bread left?
Yes, there are 4 slices left. Put them in the toaster?
Sure. I will handle the toast, you handle the eggs.
Teamwork in the kitchen is the best.
By the way, I checked the fridge. We are low on milk and butter.
Okay, I will add them to our grocery list for the weekend.
The toast is ready. Butter or jam on yours?
Just a little bit of butter, please. And black pepper on my eggs.
Coming right up. Here is your breakfast, Melody.
Thank you, kind sir. Everything looks so colorful.
We should eat quickly. The bus arrives in 20 minutes.
You are right. Time flies when we are having fun.
Don't eat too fast, though. It is not good for your stomach.
I know. These eggs are so fluffy. You are a great cook.
Well, I learned from the best. Let's finish and get ready to go.
Agreed. I'll wash the dishes quickly after we finish.
No, leave them for me. Check your bag one last time. Okay, I am ready. Do you have everything, Lily?
Oh, wait a second. Where is my ID card?
Is it on the dining table? I saw it next to your coffee cup.
Yes, I found it. Thank you so much.
No problem. Now, check your bag again. Keys? Phone? Wallet?
Keys, check. Phone, check. Check. Wallet. Oh, where is my bus card?
It is right there, in the key bowl.
Whew. My head is in the clouds today.
Take a deep breath. You are prepared. Do you have your umbrella?
Yes, it is already in my bag. I put it there earlier.
Great. I have the house keys. Let's head out.
Wait! I almost forgot my glasses. They are on the shelf.
Here they are. Anything else?
No, I think that is everything. Let's go.
After you, Melody.
Thank you, Jack. It's a bit chilly outside.
Yes, it is. I'm glad we wore our coats.
Me too. Let's walk fast to the bus stop.
Perfect. We caught the first bus. It is not crowded.
Yes. I love the bus at this time. It is so quiet and peaceful.
Look at the window, Lily. The park looks beautiful with the morning mist.
You are right. Is that a new coffee shop on the corner?
Oh, yes. That is the Green Bean. We should try it this weekend.
I would love that. Maybe on Sunday morning?
It's a date. Are you feeling better now? You look more relaxed.
I am. Looking at the city through the window helps me forget stress.
The city is so busy, but from here, everything looks like a movie.
Look, there are some students. They look so energetic.
They remind me of us a few years ago. Always in a hurry.
We'd add that. We are still in a hurry sometimes, Jack.
True. But at least we are in a hurry together.
Jack, what do you want for dinner? I want to celebrate.
How about we cook that chicken pasta you like?
That sounds wonderful. I can buy the ingredients.
Don't worry. I finish early today. I will go to the market.
You are the best husband. I am lucky to have you.
I am the lucky one, Lily. Look, the Grand Library.
We are almost there. My stop is the next one.
We have 5 minutes left. Let's enjoy the music.
This is my favorite part of the morning.
That is my stop. I have to go now.
Wait, don't forget your lunchbox. It is under the seat.
Oh, good catch, Jack. I almost forgot it.
See? You are definitely nervous about that meeting.
I am. But I feel better after our talk.
Remember, speak clearly and stay calm.
I will. I will text you after the meeting ends.
Please do. I will be waiting for your good news.
Have a productive day at your office, too.
Thank you, honey. See you at home at 6 o'clock. That was a busy morning for us. We hope you enjoyed joining us on our daily commute and found our conversation helpful for your English practice.
If you loved this lesson, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new story.
We truly value your support and love hearing from our learners. We have a quick question for you. What is one new English vocabulary word or phrase that you learned today?
Also, we are very curious to know, where in the world are you watching this video from right now? Please leave a comment below to let us know. See you next time. Goodbye.